This is a 2008 Kawasaki Ultra 250 pump off the back of the jet ski. The water goes in from this end, comes out this end here. There's usually a cone here. I've already removed all the inside. I couldn't find a video on this, so I thought I'd try to do one. There's bearings that go inside here, and everything basically comes out this end, which is where the cone is and the exit. So what you have to do is, first on this end there was a snap ring that goes in a groove right here, and then there's 3 oil seals, and then there's a bearing where you can see this new bearing that I've put in. Then you press and you take those things out the front, then you take everything else out the back. There's a bearing that's pretty much flush with this surface here, and then a bearing up in front. Now they say that this pump has a problem with it, that you should get an upgrade kit, which basically puts 2 bearings in the front and 1 bearing in the back, and that's what I have now. I pressed in both of the front bearings. Now the problem that I heard, and the reason why I'm doing all this, is because we were out on the water and I heard a little bit of a rattle, and so I took this off, and the prop kind of felt like it was wobbling, kind of like the gears were grinding in there, or not gears but bearings. And so when I took it apart, the bearings literally just fell out. The fact is, the chase of the bearing was cracked, and when I pushed it out, I had to it came out in 2 pieces. So at any rate, it took a lot to get that out of there. It's not easy. Some said to use heat. I tried that. It really didn't help a whole lot. Basically just beating them out of there with a punch and a lead hammer. They do say to support it right in this area, and not on the outsides when you're pressing, because these vanes can get damaged, so you don't want to do that. You don't want to break them or bend them, and so you want to support it right here in the middle as you're pressing everything this direction. So now I've used my press, and I've pressed both my 2 front bearings with the upgrade kit down in the middle of it. Now we're supposed to add a little bushing up in front like this. Then we're going to have oil seals, and there's actually 3 oil seals. We're going to pack this with some marine grease that came with my grease packet. I bought all this kit with the it's called kawaiperformance.com online. Not endorsing them or anything, but they had the parts in the kit, and they could sell it to me for, I think it was $275, or you can get them on eBay for about $295 from the same place. So anyway, I just wanted to show that video and show the parts coming back together. We're going to pack this with grease, and then we're going to add the 3 oil seals in front, and then the new shaft and the rear bearing will come in from the back.